Yeah.
Everything is done by standing up and really rather more successful in the American thing.
You need the third coach in the station, don't
The
you?
third coach, the back of the third coach should be level. See if you can do that.
You are going to do it, but it's not on me, so
That's that. And then probably 3 is that one. And then number 4 is that little one. Oh, number 3. That's forward then.
okay, the special visitor is going to arrive
There's no arriving.
to take away the royal train. Wait, have you read the Highland Falcon?
Nice and steady. Oh, hang on, your tender might be off.
Off. Yep.
I think your tender's off.
Yeah, it's off.
Does that look alright?
Yeah.
Okay, now go. And how's it looking now?
About an inch.
You can go up.
Go.
the signal.
Who's going to be driving that train? Wait, is that the signal?
Yeah, this number 1.
Shorter, so it's giving more tension on the solid. It's strange how it goes fine. It's just, it'll lock every now and then, the solid will work. It's got to be the fault of the head of the problem.
Yes, we'll come out your way, sorry, so we can take all the shots you want, sir. Just a minute, I'll get this out of the way.
Late now, isn't it? Do that again.
Yeah, of course, well, you're all right.
Take 2.
Yeah, take 2. That's it, thanks. Yeah.